Samurai Sasuke. So this is a fan art. I think it's by Isra Draws on Instagram. So full credit to that person. It's pretty cool. I thought I'd give it a go and show you guys how to do it as well. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So I'm focusing on the face, sort of top half of the body. There's more down below in the original image. There's like a, you know, a sword. His hand is on it and stuff. But I'm just getting the shoulder armor and sort of the scarf and stuff. And maybe some of the, there's like a moon with like a cherry blossom in the background. Might draw that as well. Looks pretty slick. So we're in 3/4 pose, but it's nearly profile, right? So I'm going to start with the nose, just over here. Center point of my page is here. Just come over, and we'll just do his nose line, right? So you start with this kind of letter L. Comes out and in. My typical sort of anime nose. And his nostril, just be there. At the top, we make it a Z. It goes that way. So it's kind of like long in the middle and short at the bottoms. So we can see his other eye kind of sticking out in here, but we'll just do the big eye first. So this is like his brow area. So just across from this point diagonally, this is where we go and do his eye. So just there. So you go diagonal up, across. And we'll thicken it up slightly so you make it sort of a darker line. Right. There might be like another sort of hook coming off there. And then at the back, so it spikes down, thicker on the top. And then the bottom eyelid, single line comes back here. Line underneath. So his iris, down around there. And so you have a choice now. So depending on what type of Sharingan you want to give him, Mangekyo, everything. I can't really, it's too small to do the Mangekyo, but I might do standard Sharingan maybe. So he's kind of like looking up and to the left. So we'll put it sort of here. He kind of looks unimpressed. So we'll go maybe like that. And then some Sharingan. So a Sharingan there. Maybe another one just here. Right, so, and then those hooks. Some lines in between. And then his top eyelid comes across, and the eyebrow across there, and you just thicken up the front. Right. So, mouth, right? So we can just see kind of the side of his face and then his mouth. So he's looking kind of, so we go, it's kind of serious. Coming down like so. And then his bottom lip, just there. So eyebrow to the nostril is about the same as nostril to the chin. Okay, so you want your chin, so this space and to the chin, you want it to be about the same, right? So the chin will be here. So there and there are about the same. And then the side of his face will come up from here. So we got the chin out for his cheek, and it goes behind his nose. Okay, and his jaw comes up this way, and it's covered by hair slightly, so you'll have to raise some of this when his hair covers it. So his other eye is just in behind, right? But we've got like this spike of hair that comes down this way, and then we can see a little bit of his other eye here, so we can see like his bottom eyelid in there. And then his top eyelid across like so, like another skin line there. And then his actual iris up there. And the other Sharingan just comes down and up. It's small, right? His pupil. Okay, like that, sort of looking off to the left. So kind of tricky to get that. Right, so hair then, and then his ear. So the rest of his hair spikes, right, come down across his face. That goes down behind his collar. Typical Uchiha sort of hairstyle, and then his ears here. Comes out around. Kind of joins where his jaw would be if his jaw went up that way. And then ear lines inside. The easiest way to start is always this kind of letter J sort of thing. And then you can make it more complicated or less. It's up to you. So his collar, as I said, or his scarf in this instance, because he's samurai, sort of traditional samurai clothing. Comes across here, and then the rest of his hair comes out from behind. So and it goes all around his head. Typical sort of Naruto style spikes. Small one at the top, and then it comes down the front. One or two more spikes at the front then, because this piece of hair hangs down the front over here. Maybe some of his neck, just there. Okay, so we got some like armor here. Sorry, scarf, should I say. Curving down, and it goes underneath his shoulder and shoulder armor, specifically up here. So say like shoulder armor. Just there. The scarf, the arm. That way. And we got like some fold lines and stuff on this. And then like he's got some armor at the front here, straight down. And then the shoulder armor goes down in like steps, right? So it steps down like this. Then again, going down here. He's got like these beads sort of attached. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are like pieces of string or something. It's kind of like Madara's armor, you know, kinda. And then each of these lines come across to the edge of the armor back here. So his arm just comes down this way, folding lines, and he's kind of got his hand resting on the hilt of his sword. So it just goes off down that way. Of course, if you have more room, you can type in Samurai Sasuke and you could fit in the hand and all that. I just thought I'd focus on this because it's much simpler to draw than getting all that in. Okay, I'm gonna try and do this moon that's around his head. Okay, it's kind of cool. So you draw kind of a circle around him, or half circle. So we'll go. It goes. Is that right? Yeah, kind of. Go to like there, maybe. Okay, that kind of thing. And then there's all these floral sort of patterns drawn in, right? So, and they're roughly sort of done. They're not too detailed. It's like a silhouette of a cherry blossom tree, which is typical Japanese imagery. And these are all sort of just colored black. But you could do them pink if you wanted. Okay, and then you can color them whatever color you want. You can even do, that's all like black colored if you wanted to do it that way. So there you go. Samurai Sasuke by Isra Draws. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.